Welcome back, my beautiful people. In this tutorial we'll be about and showing how to make big stitches on an updo. As you can see, hair looking all gorgeous. If you want to make beautiful hair like this, sit tight, don't go anywhere. Let's dive straight into it. So now this is the hair. It's a kind of coily, kinky hair, So, sometimes hairs like this has tangles a lot. So first of all, take out all the tangles from the hair. First, take out every tangle from it, dividing it into the part that you're wanting. Since it's an updo, I started with dividing it into 2 equal halves, depending on where you want the bun to be. So I divided it that way. Then I started stretching it with a hot comb. I didn't want to really go into stretching the hair straight because it's already a sleek hair, so little stretch does the magic. So now getting into the braids. So this updo now has a big size and a small one. So after making the big, I made the other one off camera because of unforeseen circumstances. So this braid now I'm going to be showing you how I got the other one. So watch and see. So now this is where I brought that first one. It's where the braid is going to start from. Then you start dividing the stitches the way you want them. Depending on how you want the tooth to be, we call it gap tooth too. So depending how you want the tooth to be, if you want it to be tiny or you want it to be kind of bold or you want it whichever pattern you want it, this is the time to create the magic. So you divide the front into 3, just as you start your cornrows. Then you start your braid. It's as simple as that. If you just watch, you will see how it's been done. It's as easy as ABC. You just put your mind to it, and I know you're going to do it. So thank you, family, for watching up to this time. If you have not joined the family yet, this is the time to do so. Yes, you can just hit the subscribe button. You like. If you're finding this video interesting, then you can share it to someone you know might be in need of this video. Okay, there's love in sharing, and we are here to help you. Okay, let's go back to the video. So this is how you braid. As you braid, you pick the stitches that you've made and add to the braids, and that's all. Just go in that consistency and you'll get a perfect braid. So before you watch this and watch others, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be able to make it yourself. This is like one of the easiest way of making stitch braid. Okay, so I'll just allow you to watch the video and I will be back.
You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of